Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to delete your messenger account permanently. If you want to remove your messenger account from Android or iPhone, just follow these simple steps. Okay, let's get started fast. Open the messenger app on your device and tap on menu or 3-line option. Again tap on setting option. Scroll down, tap on see more in account center. Scroll down, tap on manage accounts and select your messenger account. Tap on manage option and again scroll down, deactivation or deletion option. Select delete account and tap on continue. Scroll down, again tap on continue and select I just need a break. Tap continue and select yes, deactivate instead. Okay, tap on continue. Now enter your password here and tap continue option, and I hope your problem easily solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.